guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the Bloxian Coder, and in this video, we are going to be doing teleporters. That's right, you're now going to be able to teleport people wherever you want on your map. So as you can see here, I've just built like a small map. This is a pine tree area over here, and yeah, and then you can see that I've laid out 4 pine trees there. You know, just to like make it like a different forest, I guess. And you guys, I have the teleport part right there. You guys don't have to style it like that. I just chose to make it like that because that's how I like it. But you guys can make it however you want. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn off. Can't collide and whatnot. So I have like a little dark oak forest over there, and yeah, little dark oak forest. And yeah, so don't think like, oh my gosh, making a teleporter, it's so hard, how am I gonna make it? But really, you will be able to make a teleporter by the end of this video. I assure you that. So right now I'm just going to name your parts. Remember to name your parts differently. And now we're gonna add the script. So we're not gonna normally do it like how we normally like write a function like that. No, what we're going to be doing is we're going to do script dot parent dot touched connect function. Then you have to put brackets other part. Now what is other part? It's basically the part that touches it. So you see like that block there, when this block over here touches it, let me just change the color. So when that block touches it, it's counted as that's the other part. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So now we're gonna just now I'll just show you like what we're going to be doing in the next step, which is to just like turn on can touch, because say you don't want it to like touch the base plate, and then you don't want it to like trigger what that is, you can turn off can touch. So now we just need to make a few variables first, just a few variables. So yeah, the first variable that we need to make is called local debounce. And you're gonna ask me, what is debounce? What is a debounce? Well, basically a debounce is sort of like a regulator, it controls it. It doesn't have a set value for a specific reason. It just like sets that value. So it can be anything. It can be false. You don't have to like have like false or true. It can be anything. Like it doesn't have to be false or true because it doesn't have like a specific use or value. It's just to like regulate. You can even put 1, 2, or even true if you want. But I prefer to use true and false. So yeah. Now we're going to do local part parent, which is going to be other parts parent. So local part parent equals other part dot parent. So basically what I'm going to show you is when a part touches it, it doesn't take it as the model is touching it. It takes it as this part is touching it. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the parent, which is the model. So yeah. So that's why we need to get the parent. So we just do other part dot parent. Very simple. Next one, we need to find the humanoid, because otherwise it won't like know that it's a player. It might think it's just like another block. It might think another block is a player. So we don't want that. So yeah, we have to use local humanoid equals to part parent find first child humanoid. So because the part parent is the model, which will be your character, and inside your character you have something called the humanoid, and that humanoid is sort of like what makes you human. I mean, I guess you already know that because humanoid, it's in the name of it. So yeah, you should already know that one. No offense if you don't. Okay, so now I'll just show you like what I mean. So like, see, you have like these parts here, and then say like one of them is humanoid, the blue one is humanoid. So I'm just gonna model them. So now you can see that it'll take it as that last part there that it's touching the bottom part. It'll take that as the original part. Then when we do dot part parent, it'll take the whole model. Then we use colon find first child to find the humanoid, which is the blue part. Yeah, that blue part. So yeah, that's basically what a humanoid is and how colon find first child works. Of course, you can use colon find first child for anything else. Now we are going to be using an if statement. Nothing too complicated because we did cover if statements. So yeah. But now we're going to be using if not debounce, then equals to true, then end. So now you can be asking me, what is not? Like, what does it mean? What is not? Well, not is simply like, it's the opposite. Like, so if it's not true, the debounce variable that we made is false. So that means it's not true. But if we didn't have it, it'll mean that when it's true, it does that. So yeah, that's why we need not. Because if not debounce equals to true. Because yeah, otherwise, I mean, we could do if not debounce, if debounce equals to false, then debounce equals to true. But this way is, you can do it either way, but I prefer to use this way. So yeah. So now you have to put in wait 2 seconds, debounce equals to true, wait 2 seconds. And then part.parent colon find first child. Now we need to use find first child again. And we need to find something new called humanoid root part. And that humanoid root part, it basically is like the center of your body. It's the center of your avatar, you know. And let me just like show you an example of it. Let me just open my load character plugin, and it already pro. So yeah, and let me just, I've spawned him in. So yeah, you see this gray box? This gray box is called your humanoid root part. So basically, whenever your humanoid root part moves, your avatar will move with it. So yeah, it's invisible, but it's quite important for your avatar. And you can't make like a model, like a zombie model or an animal model without it. Otherwise they won't work. So yeah, that's your humanoid root part. Now basically after that we are just going to I'm just going to like just show that it will spawn you over there at the blue part, and you'll start, when you step on the green part, it'll spawn you at the blue part there. So now this is just the last part of it for your teleporter. Oh, oops, I have a syntax error there. Okay, so the last part is you have to type in debounce equals to true. But before you do that, you have to type in .CFRAME equals to game.workspace, and then find your object. It can be whatever it is. Like my blue part was named TP2, so you have to do TP.2.CFRAME. And CFRAME, what is it? CFRAME stands for coordinate frame. It's like position, except the only difference is with position, you need to use something called vector 3. And we'll get into vector 3 in later videos. So yeah, just stay tuned to it. So yeah, that's basically what CFRAME is. There are other uses for it as well, but I won't be getting into those in this video because I don't want to make it complicated. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to type in wait again, just wait 3 seconds, debounce equals to true. I mean false. Sorry guys, a little off edge today. So yeah, what would happen if we didn't have that? Basically, it would like sort of like rush through the code a little bit faster. So now I'm just gonna zoom into my avatar. Oh wait, I forgot to anchor my parts. Sorry guys. This is my mistake. Don't get annoyed. You don't have to do this. This is just something I did. I'm just gonna anchor them real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna press play, and then bam, we should be able to use our teleporter. right now. So yeah, unload it in. Now let's just go walk over to our teleporter. And walking, and okay, see, it's waiting 2 seconds. It's not teleporting us. Now it's teleported us. After 2 seconds of waiting, it teleported us. But what if you wanted like people to like step on this blue part here, and then it will teleport us back? But oh no, it's not working. But there's a really simple solution. Just go over to your script over there, and then just duplicate it and put it inside TP in your other part, which I'm calling TP2. So I'm just gonna name it TP2 script for my reference, and I'm gonna name my other one here TP1 script. So yeah, you just need to make some minor adjustments, like the TP1 CFRAME. So yeah, also it might be a little glitchy, so you can adjust the seconds a bit. So yeah, let's check it out. So we're heading over to our green teleporter. Yeah, we're heading over to our green teleporter. Let's walk over there, and okay, we're waiting. Bam, we're teleported. Then you'll see it teleports us back. Now that's like basically because it's waiting those number of seconds, except the only thing is you could add a longer wait time before it does that. So yeah, like you can adjust the wait time to like maybe 5 seconds if you want. I'm just doing this because that's how I like it.